Hello friends, welcome on a new episode of Gadget Junkie. In this episode, you will see some mind-blowing camera innovations. So stay tuned and please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and comment below to tell us which innovation you liked most. Drones may indeed allow filmmakers to get great tracking shots, but there are many situations in which it's just too risky, if not outright illegal, to fly them. It was with this in mind that Viral Light was created. Introducing Viral Light, the first affordable, easy-to-use cable cam system for filming with smartphone action cameras and mirrorless cameras up to 1.5 kilograms. It's a simple, compact and relatively inexpensive cable camera system. Mount your camera or phone on the cable cam unit, extend that unit's two wheels and loop it onto the rope. The whole process reportedly only takes a few minutes. From there, it's just a matter of turning the cable cam unit on and using its wireless remote to send it motoring along the rope. The remote has a maximum range of 200 meters. And the speed can be set anywhere from 0.01 km per hour for time-lapse shots all the way up to 45 km per hour. Unlike a drone, it can safely be used indoors and over crowds. Plus, it can easily pass through narrow spaces. Additionally, its battery life is much longer than that of a drone. It can apparently go for 3 hours per charge. If you are interested in getting a system, it's currently the subject of a very successful Indiegogo campaign. A pledge of $239 will get you a Viral Light Kit, and a pledge of $279 will get you Viral Light Kit with travel case. A new astronomy camera has just landed on the market and it has made quite an impact. It's the tiniest camera there is designed and developed to photograph the stars in the sky, but its greatest feature, along with the high quality lenses it comes with, it is specially developed software that enables you to locate and see exactly what you are looking for. With the guidance assistance system and interactive star map. In fact, just point it at the sky, type in what you are searching for, and follow the indication that will show you the planet or star you want to see. It helps you plan, capture, and share your star-filled sky experience, all from the palm of your hands. It is made from aerospace quality aluminum, features an image sensor of 2.5K Ultra HD resolution. You also get Wi-Fi connectivity and an interface that lets you go social with your starry pics. Dubbed by NASA scientists and astronomers as the Hubble in the palm of your hands. If there was ever a time to wake the astronomer in you, it's now with this revolutionary device. Packed inside a pair of stylish sunglasses are 4 HD cameras that can capture up to 90 minutes of 360-degree video, leaving the wearer's hand free for biking, paddling, climbing, or whatever other capture-worthy activity they are doing. That's ORBI Prime. ORBI Prime is the first time the tech incorporated into a pair of smart glasses. The specs feature two 1080p cameras on the front, one on either temple, plus two more on the tip of each arm. They can capture 4K videos at 30 FPS for up to 90 minutes. Stabilize in real time to help smoothing things out. While the field of view is full 360 degrees horizontally, only 300 degrees of the upper hemisphere is captured. Power comes from a pair of 1000 mAh batteries, rechargeable via micro USB. And also, onboard is a reasonable 128 GB of storage space. The specs connect to smartphone or Wi-Fi, where an app allows users to watch, edit and share their videos. The glasses are water resistant, come with a detachable safety strap. The Indiegogo campaign for the ORBI Prime is wrapping up very soon, but the specs are still available for a pledge of $229. The unusual 16-lens Light L16 camera has been a long time coming, with the computational photography device announced nearly 2 years ago. Now, the camera is finally shipping out to fulfill the first pre-orders. The Light L16 is a 52+ megapixel camera that's only about the size of a smartphone. Bragging of DSLR-like capabilities in a smaller package, the Light L16 uses 16 lenses, sensors and some software to put it all together. Unusual design based on computational photography had the startup making several big claims, including a DSLR-like quality extending to the soft background that's impossible on smaller sensors, as well as 10 times more light sensitivity for low-light shots. Along with showcasing the hardware's capability, the samples are also designed to showcase the company's Lumen software, which is required to put all the images from those separate lenses together. The camera uses at least 10 different camera modules at once, depending on how much of the 28 to 150 mm zoom is used. Those images, each slightly offset because of its position on the front of the camera, permit the software to create a depth map, allowing the system to artificially generate a shallow depth of field. Using the desktop software, users can choose just how soft to make the background. The L16 16 cameras are capable of shooting at minimum of 52 megapixels, while the highest resolution shot from the sample hits 81 megapixels. The Light L16 began shipping last month to pre-order customers. The company hasn't yet started taking new orders for the camera. Here comes the absolute revolution, Litro's new cinema camera. It captures every frame as a set of light field data. Each pixel contains not only luminance and color information, but details on speed, location, and direction. Every frame can capture up to 755 raw megapixel of data, so it's got the basic chop to be genuinely kick-ass camera. It captures light fields, not just images. It captures light fields, not just images. This kind of information makes it easier than ever before to integrate 3D effects in with live action footage. And then there is the artistic side of things. With such extraordinary abilities, directors and editors will have post-production options they have simply never had before. If you are an avid videographer, then it's entirely likely that you would want to use both an action camera and a camera-equipped drone. Why buy the two, though, if you can get one product that serves both functions? That's the thinking behind Idea's Pita drone. Plus, it also works as a home security camera. At the heart of the Pita is the main camera body, When using it in action cam mode, you just magnetically snap the included action cam module onto the bottom. You then either hold the complete spherical device in your hand or attach it to a third-party mount via a threaded hole in the bottom. The camera shoots 4K at 30 fps video. Plus, it captures a 13 megapixel still. It has no screen, although users can set up shots and review footage via an iOS or Android app. When you want to get some aerial footage, you simply swap the action cam module for the drone module. Containing 4 folding propeller arms and a GPS unit, it converts the PETA into a smartphone-controlled quadcopter. As a drone, the PETA has a claimed 15 minutes flight time and offers features such as auto-follow of a moving target, orbit of a stationary target, and the ability to automatically return to its takeoff site and the ability to automatically land. PETA recharges its lithium polymer battery by sitting in an included charging cradle. As it's doing so, it links up the user's home Wi-Fi network, allowing them to check a live feed from its camera. Here comes a GoPro device, which is not a drone but can shoot fabulous aerial shots. It is not an electronic device either. Now you can get same drone-like quality shots but with spending very little with air device. You just throw it in the air and it will start taking shots. Very clever use of a boomerang design. Let's see what is working with it feels and looks.